super important how more you can prepare already at home.
I always wash all my stuff before I use it. Smells better. Final preparation start already in the beginning of November, where I order all my stuff, what I need, the carbohydrates for the camelback, my gels, my bars, to send as much as is possible with the campers to Saudi Arabia. Then normally I train for 1.5 months flat out, and then the last things what I forget in November I fix in December. Jawohl, Habidiere. Servus.
The toughest race in the world is writing history again.
Dakar dominates my whole year, basically. It's the most miserable and fun 2 weeks of your life.
Just look at Sebastian Loeb. He's hunting down Nasser Al-Attiyah.
It's an addiction because I feel like comfort with adrenaline.
We've been creating this dream all together, racing Dakar.
To win Dakar back-to-back would for sure be something really special.
Yeah, when you arrive to the Dakar, of course, there's many preparations. Everybody is nervous.
During the last weeks before Dakar, you always have to be super vigilant on preparing, packing your bags, making sure you've got everything before you leave.
It's really the important time, so if you are really good prepared, the Dakar runs smoothly. If not, you come really crazy.
You have to anticipate all what you need there. Be sure that your vehicle is ready, that you did the proper test and everything is running perfect.
There is no checklist like a Dakar checklist. This is the ultimate motorsport roller coaster, where the highs can take you to the moon and the lows are the worst crash landing. In every way, so much is preparation. Preparation, preparation.
We have in total 3 trucks with our big KTM Husqvarna and Gasgas family, and so we will bring a 4th one for this Dakar. Then we have 4 campers where the riders sleep, and we have 3 assistance cars coming with us. And it's not only that we bring them from Austria and they are there, it's a lot of preparation, like it's 5 to 6 weeks of loading them, making sure everything is technically correct, and put all the stuff, everything that we bring to Dakar needs to be organized, needs to be checked, that we have everything on site.
Spare parts, that's one of the biggest parts of that whole action. Every year we need to make an inventory. We need to count, this year we had 67,000 parts. We always need to think about, we are racing 2 weeks, so yeah, a lot of things can happen.
For the Dakar, it's not so easy because it's not possible to bring food to Saudi Arabia because the truck is more than 14 days on the boat and it's not possible to bring some fresh food. And this is maybe a problem, but in Saudi Arabia we can buy food, normal one, so it's easy. Main goal is 100% keep the riders healthy. This is what we have to do. For example, if you prepare fresh food, it's good for the team because we sit together, have fun during the dinner or lunch, and everyone is satisfied, and this is good vibration, I think.
Before the race, you try to spend time with your family, with your friends, and to try to get as much energy from home and from the family is possible, because then when you are in Dakar, it is hard time, so it's good to arrive there with a soul like fill up.
So it's not only like getting everything there, it's weeks of planning and ordering everything throughout the year to make sure that everything is there end of November to put it on the boat, and then the big show starts.
That big show in all categories is scheduled to be even more spellbinding than ever. The roll call of past champions, with eyes on the main prize, is worthy of a Hollywood blockbuster.
Just look at Sebastian Loeb. He's hunting down Nasser Al-Attiyah. Fantastic stuff from the Frenchman.
On 4 wheels, there are no less than 21 Dakar titles between defending champion Nasser Al Attiyah in the conventionally powered Toyota Hilux and Carlos Sainz and Stefan Peter Hansel in the Audis with their electric drivetrain concept. Not forgetting world rally great Sebastian Loeb, running on biofuel for the BRX team.
I remember, a few years ago with Peugeot, the first year was really complicated, and the second year we won the race, so the challenge is a little bit the same. 1 year to learn, on the second year to win. The team is really at the top. To be honest, I was never in a team with this level of knowledge, with this capacity. They react really quickly. Yeah, we will see. If the drivers are good, maybe we can win.
We saw in Morocco that Audi was fast. It's a difficult package that they have also, hybrid, but I think we worked a lot. We won last year, we won by far. I hope it will be a big fight till the end, and I'm sure it will be, because when you see the package and Sebastian Loeb in the BRX is really fast.
This time I think we are all more prepared in the team. The team has 1 year more experience with the car. We have more experience in the car and together with Fabian, so we are more prepared than before. So hopefully we will be able to do something good.
I'm sure that it will be more tough than last year. We have a good package with Nasser Al Attiyah and Mathieu Baumel in the car. I'm very exciting to see exactly where we will be in 15 January.
I think Dakar is a special race. You need to have experience. When you came a little bit older, you can win.
At the moment, I never won it. I would like to win it one day. I have no idea if it will be possible this year or not, but it's a big challenge. Level is very high with Nasser and Toyota, but also with Audi. So the goal is interesting and it makes it motivating.
Obviously, it would be great to win on the second attempt. I think we have a good chance, but I don't underestimate our competitors. They are really good. So let's see, at the end it's a question out of a lot of things. If we are good enough, I think the car is really good, the drivers are really good, and then it's a question of, at the end, maybe navigation and luck.
Luck, good fortune, or the rally gods smiling on you. However you want to describe those turning points on the Dakar, 20-year-old Seth Quintero, record-breaking stage winner, needs them all on side in his bid to make it third time lucky in the lightweight prototype T3 class. He's yet to finish on the podium. Three-time champion Chaleco Lopez is the target for all those in the off-road junior team.
Chaleco's an amazing driver and also a lot of experience on a bike and a T3, so it's going to be hard to beat him navigational-wise. I know we have the pace to do it on the speed and the driving, and now we have the car reliability, but it's hard to beat that guy with the road book and everything. So
2023 is here, is close, and I prefer to think in things close and try to improve myself, and for sure I fight for first position.
The call of the desert is a long-standing addiction to riders and drivers. Dazzled by the dunes and the desire to deliver on this Everest of motorsport mountains. No fear, no limits, no excuses. This is the challenge that can take you from zero to hero and back again in the blink of an eye. It's a cauldron of competition where so many arrive determined to show the world they're too hot to handle, only to end up out in the cold, battered, bruised and beaten. It's where new power pioneers take the stage as the Dakar looks to keep pace with new technologies in the race to be carbon neutral by 2030. The final countdown to the start on the Red Sea on the last day of 2022 has been the focus for months for all of the 365 entries. But the hard work is only just beginning.
I'm excited, I can't wait. I just want to put that helmet on and go racing.
I feel ready, I feel prepared, but in a race what is 14 days, many things can happen.
I also would like to win again, to be the first rider also to win with two different brands. That never happened before.
Dakar definitely dominates my life. It's something I really want to achieve, and to win the Dakar once would be really good and see what the future can bring.
One day I fight for win the Dakar. It's difficult, but I try for sure.
When someone stood in front of you saying 3, 2, 1, go, and it's like
something takes over then that's real special.
To win the Dakar with our Audi, this is the target. So it's also really a big and really interesting challenge.